right, thank you for checking out the video. My name is Thomas. I'm going to be doing a review for you today on Blue Hustle 2.0. It's a product made by Shan Din. It's actually an upgrade of the original Blue Hustle that he had previously created. Make sure that you stick with me to the very end of this video. I'm going to offer you 4 of my own bonuses for you to check out for free. And Shan has actually got 3 of his own bonuses, so that's 7 for you. It's a bit of a value to pass up. Also, if you get any value at all from this video, please subscribe. I'd love to show you what else we can review for you in the future. So what exactly is Blue Hustle 2.0? It's a step-by-step blueprint for making money online. It is a video course, video after video after video. I'm going to be able to show you the videos of what it takes to make money online. All right, let's go in and check out a video right now. We're actually going to check out Shan's video.
Shan here. First of all, thank you so much for picking up a copy of Blue Hustle 2.0. You are in a treat today, guys. You are going to become a product creation beast. Just follow the training and you guys just rinse and repeat, and you are going to create a simple, profitable digital products from scratch that you can launch in the marketplace every month and start earning passive income. So before you go ahead inside the course, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek what exactly you need to do to get the most out of this course. First of all, after watching the welcome video, then make sure that this is the first thing. Click here to access complete instruction guide. Click here and read that instruction guide. Okay, although it's a small instruction guide, okay, read through it. It will give you great motivation and it will give you the complete sense how exactly you're going to accomplish in this course. Okay, so you're going to go through it, and after that I want you to go through with the training step by step. Okay, start from here, watch the complete training below. As you can see that this is each and everything I have included, guys. Take a look, guys. This is mind-boggling. Okay, you guys will become a total ninja after completion of this course. This is where it finishes, complete system, and here's conclusion and $1 million support. Go through all these videos one by one, start taking action, and if you have any question, just get back to me. I will help you guys out. As I said, conclusion and $1 million support. Watch that video and you will learn what kind of support I'm talking about. And then once you finish product launching module, you become a ninja after that. Then there is the next module, guys. I did not mention on my sales page. Complete affiliate marketing training. Once you start making money with product launches, then I want you to follow through this module, guys. After launching products, then finding and getting approved for offers. You are going to become a ninja in affiliate marketing. Now, you are going to have 2 streams of income. First, by launching products. Now, second one is actually promoting affiliate products. So how you're going to become a beast in affiliate product approvals and in affiliate promotions, you're going to go through these 5 videos, creating a review video, creating bonus page, getting into inboxes part 1, getting into inboxes part 2, and avoiding spam words, powerful free traffic. That's it, guys. You need to watch these videos, implement it now. After finishing this second module, you are going to become a ninja in affiliate promotion. So you're going to start making money by doing affiliate promotion as well. Now, once you've done that, and if you want to take that baby to the next level, then you can become a ninja, an expert in paid traffic. Complete Facebook training to scale your business. Here you go, guys. The goal of this training is to make you an expert in paid advertising. And look at that. The user interface, Facebook page setup, Facebook page setup part 2, setting up Facebook ads manager, Pixel part 2, Facebook ad campaign, creating your ad set, creating your ad. And now then you can access your bonuses right here. All these 3 bonuses I talk about. If you have any question, guys, you can send me an email right here simply, guys. Okay, the point I want you to make, this is a complete training. You don't need any other training after that if you want to become a ninja in product creation, in affiliate promotion, and paid traffic as well, guys. This is the complete business in a box solution. Go through it and make the most out of it, guys. I hope you're gonna love it. And if you have any question, get back to me. Make sure you follow through whatever I have mentioned in this video to get the most out of this course. Thank you so much for picking up Blue Hustle 2.0. I wish you best of luck. I will speak to you guys soon. Take care.
So there it is, a very quick overview by Shan himself. I don't think I could have done a whole lot better, but I think I'll go over it with you again a little slower. So it is beginner friendly, simple to implement. You don't need an email list. Never seen before step-by-step video training. You saw a little bit of the videos. I'll go through that again a little bit slower. No need to waste time on lengthy methods. Once setup runs on autopilot, 24/7 income stream, $1 million support. Yes, you heard it right, and no complicated stuff. You are only 3 steps away. Grab a copy of Blue Hustle. It will only take 50 seconds to start. Blue Hustle 2.0. Watch over my over the shoulder videos and set up the entire system in under 3 hours. And step 3, the simple yet powerful products generate passive income online. Passive income being the key. Blue Hustle 2.0. Going to get a little bit more into pricing here in a little bit, but there's a little bit of a clue on the price. And then we're talking about bonuses. These are the bonuses from Shan. He has a Genius Sales Letter template. He has the Blue Hustle headline formula and the exclusive Facebook group for inside tricks and special help. Again, these are included with the purchase of Blue Hustle 2.0. Here is the actual product. We're going to take a look at some of these videos here. How to search and get free PLR product. How to consume the PLR content and improve it. How to find your product name. Create free logo for your product. Turn your logo into smart mockup. Install the best page builder. Step-by-step walkthrough of Thrive Architect. Creating our thank you page. Listing your product on Warrior Plus. Step-by-step offer creation in Warrior Plus. Step-by-step on top of sales page. Step-by-step on top of download thank you page. Upsell setup in Warrior Plus offer section. Complete system. These things just keep going. Conclusion and $1 million support. And then he was talking about going on a complete affiliate marketing training, finding and getting approved for offers, creating a review video. Now here's where he's talking about reviewing other offers, creating custom bonus page, getting into inboxes part 1, getting into inboxes part 2, avoiding spam words, powerful free traffic, and then the Facebook training, the goal of the training, the user interface, Facebook page setup part 1, Facebook page setup part 2, setting up Facebook ads, creating Facebook pixel part 1, part 2, getting your Facebook ad campaign, creating your ad set, creating ad, and then the 3 bonuses we already talked about. So he's got 3 bonuses. He's got all these videos. This is what you're purchasing. What you're going to get from me today, if you choose to get this from me instead of somewhere else, we're going to offer you Blue Hustle 2.0 plus 4 bonuses. But let's talk about the prices first here. Blue Plus prices and upsells starts at $12.95. The Golden bundle is $27. The Ultimate bundle is $97. The 1 month of premium coaching for $297, and multiple license rights. So this plus this plus this plus this, right? Front end upsell. the Ultimate Affiliate Bundle, 1 month of premium coaching, as he was talking about, multiple license rights. Here's some key benefits you might be interested in getting. Beginner friendly and simple to implement. You don't need an email list. Never seen before step-by-step video training. No need to waste time on lengthy methods. Once setup runs on autopilot, 24/7 income stream, $1 million support, and no complicated stuff. It is very basic. So let's talk about the bonuses you're going to get right here. Bonus number 1, we're going to offer you Enigma. This is only available first 12 hours. It is very powerful. I would suggest getting it, taking a look at it, and using it. Now we're going to allow you to also use Instagram traffic hack. It's going to help you take Blue Hustle 2.0 to the next level. And we have the proven insider tips for making great channel content. So you've got Blue Hustle 2.0. How are you going to make great content? This bonus is going to help you on top of it. And then we're going to throw in Equinox Pro on top of it. That is 4 bonuses plus the 3 that come with Blue Hustle 2.0. Total of 7 total bonuses. And of course, the vendor bonuses are the 3 that Shan himself is providing. So I hope that this helped out. I hope that gave you a little bit of a better idea of what you're looking at when considering to buy Blue Hustle 2.0. Again, if you got any benefit at all, any value from this video, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing you more review videos in the future. And I appreciate any comments below. Remember, make every day count.